Okay, and here we have the box of tricks. Now, let's get inside this box first of all. Try and do it one-handed, using a pair of tweezers. Oh yes, I am living life on the edge. Oh. Your fingers in it. Tell me. Don't let these things so hard to read. Right. Ah. An instructional leaflet. How quaint. Pretty standard, I think. Shows you how to install your fan. You won't be needing that because I'm going to tell you. Oh yes, these are 120mm fans as well. Just clarifying now, it looks like that each fan is in a box. Oh my. In my best Mr. Sewell impression. Oh my. These are your fans. Can I at least find one to pull out? There we go. Oh no, please don't tell me you're all tangled up. Oh no, oh we're good. Oh, thank God for that. Whew. Right. These are basically what your fan's going to look like. Very similar in design to this. You have your lighted end. This is the area which all your colour emulates from. As you can see, it's fairly open, so you can sort of spin the blade around. You can notice at the back, it's pretty much got these little sort of brackets on the back. Now, this is the good way of actually figuring out how to organise your fans. Now, if you want to bring air in to your case, you want it that way. So it's sucking air through there and then out through there. Okay, now if you're wanting to blow air out, it's basically reversed. Have it that way, so the air goes through there and then out there. Hello, puss puss. You gonna focus on the pussycat? You're gonna focus on the pussycat? You're gonna focus on the pussycat? Ooh, big nosy. Big nosy. If we open the set box. You have a smaller than the picture. There is all your little pins. That is a brief intro. Obviously, you do get your manual. Now, if you are really unsure on how to do it, it's always best to have a look through the paperwork just to familiarise yourself with what you are doing. And you can see it is pretty well illustrated, and yes, I was right, you can daisy chain them together so you have a complete circuit. Okay, right, first things first, I need to remove my dust cover. It's magnetic, so it's a case of oh. And then remove said screws. To remove the fans, and obviously I need to remove this fan as well. I need to unplug it from the fan header. And then the rest are actually behind, so I need to take off the back panel. I need to find my 12 volt RGB header, which is in here somewhere. It's on. Just for the ease of use and access. But now, let's get these fans out this one out and get them all connected. The actual fan header itself is plugged into one of the fan headers down there. I think it's that one there, chassis fan. And then with these fans being 12 volt ARGB, addressable RGB, the RGB header is up there. It's actually a white one. It does say 12 volt RGB. So that's plugged in. I just need to feed this wire through the gap at the back, it says. I have to tie that wire up in a bit. So let's get you through there. Come on. Come on. There's a bag of chips in it if you get in. That's it. Right, she's through. Pull all the wires through. Get all the wires sorted. And let's see what it looks like. The good thing about these fans is with them being RGB, you can daisy chain them. So each one has a male and a female socket. So the male socket from the other fan will plug directly into this female socket, allowing the need to use multiple RGB connectors. So let's get the RGB hub and fan hub installed. Alright, that's the fan hub installed. Up to 4 fans. So there we go. That is already wired. It's connected on the motherboard to the chassis fan header. So all I need to do now is stick all the fans in, get all the wires sorted, get them all plugged in.